Okay, so let's quickly go onto Google Sheets while this is open. Easiest way to do that is you open up a new tab at the top. This is part of Google, so you can type in Google Sheets, but in other words, I can type in Google Sheets to get to Google Sheets. The easiest way is if you look at the right hand side, if you log into Chrome, it will show you all the Google apps and you just basically go to Google Sheets. I don't know if anyone is using Google Sheets. All our business, everything is starting to move over to Google Sheets. It's really simple and easy to quickly open up a spreadsheet. So what I want to do is I'm going to create what just a standard spreadsheet. On the right hand side, I click Open New, and I'm going to just give it a title. Let's call it Baviaan's Bike Trip 2021. And I'll show you it's actually quite easy. What I do is I do a column header day from to, then I do distance, and you can add on fuel, accommodation, and costs. Okay, just F7. I like to check my spelling. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do is we don't know how many days we're going to take, and that means that I'm just allowing for a couple of days. I'll delete the ones I'm not going to do, and I'm going to start in Centurion. What I tend to then do is, seeing as if I go from Centurion to, let's say, Colesberg, I know for a fact that the next day I'm gonna start in Colesberg. So I just do a quick formula that says equals to, and that means that if I type in there Colesberg, I'm lazy, it just auto completes that for me. So I'm gonna take that formula just all the way down. Okay, and then we're gonna do distance. I like to have my sheets nice and neat. I tend to just do formatting, and I might underline the heading there just so that it looks nice and neat. So I'm going to refer to this quite often, jump to and from the map into this so that you can see. Come on, I'm zooming the wrong screen here. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I tend to keep open the two sheets, and this is so that you've got a clear view of what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put my little picture there. Okay, let's go back here. I'm also going to name this map. You see, it's quite easy to name it. I click on the untitled map, and let's call it Baviaan's Bike Trip. I call mine ADV 2021. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to do the high level. I want to see how far this route is going to take, and I want to try and sort of see how many days it's going to take me. So if I click on the route, you'll see it's 2,500 kilometers, the overall distance, and I can sort of do a high level. I'm comfortable doing about, let's say, without the details in this route, we're probably going to do about 3,000 kilometers, because I don't have a lot of kinks yet in it. 3,000 kilometers, which means that I'm happy to do 300 kilometers odd a day. And that means that we're looking at probably a 10-day trip. So if you look there, so I'm going to go back there. I'm going to just say let's cap it to 10 days for now. We'll see if it works out. Okay, and I've got my high-level route. I can also turn the route and the points of interest on and off, and that's the benefit of doing it this way on the layers.